Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to RACV Account Online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in racv.com.au and press enter. RACV, or the Royal Automobile Club of Victoria, is a motoring club and mutual organization that offers various services to its members, including insurance and roadside assistance. To log into your existing account, from the main home page, click the login button at the top right. In the login area appearing on the next page, you'll need to provide your email or your member number followed by the password. If you're a first-time user and you've not created an account yet, click on First Time Register Here button and follow the registration process. For an existing account, enter your email or your member number. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and reset your password to a new one by following the prompt. Finally, after you are done, click Login, and you'll be able to log into your RACV account right away. You can now view and manage your product and personal details, including payments, after logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.